tank. See, it's in series. This water tank. Screen on this was clogged. Let's see. Down in there, I cleaned out. Down in the middle, there's your air intake. So, hit that with a toilet brush. And we could be hitting, because they got it on very hot, easily overload. It was off, and it's probably going to be going off on a temperature sensor. Right down here, there's a screen. I cleaned that screen off, and then inside there is where your fresh air completes your draft. And it was pretty clogged up, but I mean, I could physically see the holes where the air could get by. You know, it wasn't fully clogged. I didn't really care for my draft beforehand. After cleaning it, man, the flame's sucking right up in there now. So I'm going to get some heat going in here, and I'm going to see what the draft's like. But this thing was cranked all the way up.
Yeah, to hot.
To the very hottest setting, yeah. It could have very easily be hitting temperature overload in the tank.
Well, it wasn't that way before. I just I reset. You know, I put the pilot on and I reset it like you just did. But it was on like hot. It wasn't on very hot.
Alright.
Then I figured something's wrong. Maybe I turned it up higher.
This is a 2004 model, so.